The September 2020 issue of Railway Modeller is now on sale, packed full with all the latest news and reviews from the railway modelling world. Highlights in this issue include Ashton Steel, a modern era micro marvel in 00, owned and operated by Bruce Duncan. Museum of Transport, Robin Brogden's jam-packed heritage scene which has been 29 years in the making. Plus, Kirley Junction, newcomer to the hobby Kieran Lagan's Irish outline layout, and much more. In this month's project section, Giles Barnabe transforms a toy boat into a useful 00 waterside accessory, while Hugh Norwood creates a representation of the unusual Stronach-Dutton road rail tractor in 4mm. In a Railway Modeller exclusive, Ando of Revolution Trains gives us an insight into the history of the former Southern Region Inspection Saloon Caroline in this first instalment of an exciting series following the development of Revolution's forthcoming model in 00. Reviews in this month's issue include the eagerly anticipated Hornby Stephenson's Rocket Train Pack, GWR Slide Door Mark IIIs, as well as Irish Railway Models beer wagons and much more. Grab your copy of the September 2020 issue of Railway Modeller, on sale from the 13th of August.